All right, next we're going to play around with adding some images in, and these can be the bulldog graphics or other things. So I'm going to start by adding the bulldog graphic in at the beginning here. So I think I have him in here somewhere. Let me look. My media browser. Yep, there he is. Okay, so you can drop an image over the top to have it appear, like let's say up in here. So let's take this guy, and I'm gonna drop him in here. And again, just like with video clips, I can get rid of our I can trim or lengthen him. I can have him in here the whole time. So I'm going to do a really, really basic add here. Now, obviously you see here he's way too big and he's taking up way too much space. So here's what we need to do with that. We're going to transform him. So we use this menu right here, transform. I click on this. Notice I've clicked on that clip already. I'm going to click transform. Now notice now he's got handles. So I can make him a little smaller. I can move him up here. I can kind of tip him if I want. I'm going to leave him nice and straight right there. So that's pretty good. Okay. So I've got him in there. And that's, I'm going to click done. All right. So there he is. Now he's just going to suddenly appear. Watch this. I play from the beginning.
How was your Thanksgiving, Caleb?
So he's in there. I think it's kind of nice to fade him in and out. I'm going to show you how to do that really, really easily. So I'm going to go, and this is control click on the clip, and I want to show video animation. And then I want to do compositing opacity. Opacity makes something opaque, meaning invisible. So if I click on this, now I see this little line, and if I get, so my arrows are pointing left and right, and I can slide that, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. It's a little bit of a pain. There. Now watch what happens. He's not going to just suddenly pop in there.
How was your Thanksgiving, Caleb?
He just
it
appears.
Was great.
And then at the end of the clip,
you bet. Alright, anyways, welcome back to the Bulldog Bark. Hey,
he'll fade right out of there. So that's a very, very easy way to add images. I'll do that one more time because we have this yearbook thing going on over here. So I'm going to show you that. So here's the winning yearbook image.
The votes have been tallied, and congratulations to Rain.
So I want that to come in as he announces it. So it's going to go right there. Now I'm going to do a couple things with this because this is a picture that somebody took, and you can see there's extra stuff in it. So the first thing I'm going to do with that is I'm going to crop it, because I don't want to see that stuff. Okay. And I'll click done. So now I've got them cropped. Now I want to transform it because I don't want it to be over that person's face. Oops. Wrong. I'm on the wrong clip. Let me grab the right clip. There we are. Okay. And I want it to be over here on the side. And we're going to do the same thing with this. So I'm going to control click. And I'm going to have it fade in. There we go. And I'm going to have it fade out. Okay.
To Rain Amble for winning first place. His awesome drawing will be featured on the cover of this year's yearbook. A close.
So now I want that to fade out so that I can bring in the second image. So here it is right here.
Congratulations to Rain Amble for winning first place. His awesome drawing will be featured on the cover of this year's yearbook. A close second place goes.
And then I would fly the second image in here the same way. I would point out here too, notice how we've got these big, huge images here. So I did an control click, excuse me, to open that up so I could edit it. If I control click it again, I can hide it. That just makes it a normal size clip. So that's real simple, adding images and transitions into your project. I'm sorry, adding images. So this is just how to add very simple images, have them fade in and out.